guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video. Today we're going to do a little wee build, a wee birdhouse, and it's just because I had some scrap wood and a bit of time, so let's get into it and let's have a watch. Now that's the end result there. I'm quite happy with it. It's okay. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash the like button. Comment with me, tell me what you think of it. If you think it's rotten, tell me. If you think it was pretty good. If you think it's new, tell me. Come on, tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Now that's another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.